The Crucian Carp is messing around a bit. I slowly pulled it out and held it back. You see, I pulled it out a bit and held it. It's so nice at dawn, guys, in the evening. Oh, what a nice one. It's really a mess. As they say, the fisherman and the hunter are lousy workers. I hope they say this because we always go fishing. We are drawn to nature. Guys, not because we have clumsy hands. Hello everyone, friends, it's Sergey with you. I went out today to a wild pond to catch some Crucian Carp. I want to catch it, using halva. I hope you'll find it interesting, and that everything goes well for us. Let's go. Those who follow my channel and my videos probably know that I discovered an excellent wild reservoir this season, where there is some good Crucian Carp. Friends, what could be cooler than catching Crucian Carp in a wild pond? Probably only catching carp in a wild pond. If of course such ponds still exist. So, right now we're going to take all our stuff. Let's set up quickly. And we'll start with the baiting and our fishing. I'll start by preparing the spot. I won't throw the net out, then it will go into the water. When the first fish is caught, friends, I want to recommend you a wonderful cryptocurrency exchange, currency.com. The first regulated cryptocurrency exchange in the CIS, the company operates under the laws of the Republic of Belarus and undergoes an annual audit. In addition to client security, a huge advantage is the direct account with Sberbank, which allows you to save on fees, meaning you can get a bigger profit from deals with cryptocurrencies and tokenized assets. Another bonus for profitability is one of the most favorable conditions for acquiring and trading cryptocurrencies using fiat funds. The currency exchange provides the opportunity to exchange and trade many popular cryptocurrencies. Currency offers for exchange and trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and many other cryptocurrencies. The crypto platform offers more than 2,000 tokenized assets for investment and trading. On the crypto platform, there's an option to trade on a demo account. Not an account, not a regular account, but a demo account that has the same functionality as a real one. The cherry on top, the cryptocurrency exchange constantly holds public contests for traders. So besides income, you can also get great bonuses for your skills. Register on a legal cryptocurrency exchange using the link in the description, buy cryptocurrency with a guarantee, and get nice bonuses for it. All the details are in the description. Friends, during our last fishing trip, when we were fishing here together, I tried to catch fish using basil. Then I asked you guys, please recommend me something reliable that I can use in the bait to catch a lot. Some suggested corvalol, yadropyrid, aspirin, there were various other additives, but the person who recommended halva, well, there were not many people who suggested halva at all. I will stick with halva. Why? Because halva is closest to a natural product, meaning it's usually made from seeds. Yeah, it's like fried pressed with sweet sugar and something else. Yeah, it's like makuka, roughly speaking. So today we're going to be baiting all of this, guys. We'll have halva, and we'll have it. The base is regular loose bait. This is called maggot for Crucian Carp. A little bit of it in a gram, 200 grams of halva. I'm going to take it, friends. That's about it. You see, just half of it. I'll save this half for later, or we can snack on it together when we have some free time, because I also love eating halva. And we're all breaking the halva into small pieces. We need to break apart. It's crumbling a lot and it smells really strongly of sunflower oil, guys. All of this. Right now, my hands smell really strongly of sunflower oil. It's just crazy, like when we open the package with the mold and we pour in just a little bit, just like that, so that everything sticks together. We're mixing it up. We can confidently go ahead and add some water. Now we're going to assemble the float rig. I have these little floats, but they are more like buoys. There is wind now. They are more suitable as if on calm water. I'm not going to use them right now, guys. But on my makovaya, 7 meter, yes, my favorite, I will put this long float, the one I used for fishing last time, because there's a wave right now. Now, we're making balls. From our base and from our halva, yes. It smells really strong like this. I want to say, the bait is made with sunflower oil. There's a lot of halva, yeah, and it smells like seeds. Just what we need. We're making balls, let's do it. Small ones like this, yeah, about the size of a fist. We don't need to make them huge. Here, and with these balls we're immediately baiting our spot. Two spots. One is a 7-meter rod, the other is a 5-meter rod for the reeds. One is by the reeds. The spot is on the edge. The bait doesn't cloud up much. It's perfect for Crucian Carp. And the second spot is further out at the 7-meter mark. When it comes to bait, it's very simple. This is the dough bait. Crucian Carp just loves dough bait, especially in this pond. And this is the maggot. Well, just in case. It's biting here too. But you will have to cast a float and wait a very, very long time for the maggot to bite the Crucian Carp. Because the bites on dough bait are way better, my friends. Where would we be without it? One float on it is a dragonfly. There further, the second float on it also has a dragonfly. You just can't go without them. Let's make a cast under the reeds. Both. Again, a bubble and a bite. There's a Crucian Carp sitting there. And it pulled like a feeder rod. A nice one. Wow, what a beauty, right? Wonderful Crucian Carp. A wonderful Crucian Carp. This is how everything works here in our little film. And here's such a beautiful little hand-sized one. This is just awesome, guys. Just awesome. Just awesome. Let's send it. Yeah, let's put the net in the water. Yeah, like that. Further away, yes. I haven't seen so many homing pigeons in a long time. There are people who still keep them, for those who like it. But mostly it's just in the villages. Here. Look how they sway and sink, guys, on the wire. It's cool. At the same time, every bare one melts in the wind. Winding up such a little ball, a pellet, and recasting. Now it's ours. The task is to wait for the evening twilight. And during the twilight, the Crucian Carp should start biting. I really hope so, because the halva smells like sunflower oil. It's just amazing. You know, it has that smell of homemade sunflower oil. Not store-bought refined oil, but homemade oil, just like it should be for fishing. Because store-bought refined, it doesn't give the same aroma to the fish. But in general, guys, according to Sharaban, fish love something natural, freshly squeezed. While we're sitting here waiting for a bite, I'm just wasting time, so I'm taking some dough bait. See, the peas aren't fully cooked. I take the dough bait and roll it into little balls and place them next to each other. This is so that when I need to recast, I can just grab this ball and put it on the hook right away. I wasn't rolling it, so to speak, to avoid wasting time. Crucian Carp loves calm weather, when there's no wind, when it's quiet in the evening, or during the peaceful morning. Then it bites happily. And when the breeze blows, that's really not his element, guys. Both. Wow, what a handsome one you are. Wow, how powerfully it took. A nice one. A nice little Crucian Carp, bam. Guys, I just caught it. Here it is quietly. Good. Good, let's go. The net, just like that. Great. On a little bunch of dough bait. How did I make all this for you? And I said, I make these little balls in advance. Let's take this ball. Like this, we stick it onto the hook, kind of covering it. And then we thread it well through the shank and everything goes in there. We completely cover it. And you can send it back. Back to the fishing spot, so to speak. Over there, further out, that's great. Pigeons. The pigeons are flying, always in flocks. And a regular flock is flying, but these are definitely homing pigeons. Look at those beauties. How nice they are. They have tails. The guys have come to fish. They are thirsty for water. Just a little bit, just a little more to go, and then we'll hook it. Come here, sweet lover. Wow, what a sweet lover you are, huh? Oh, how cute. What kind of halva is that? Tell me, Crucian Carp. If we were fed halva, we would only be biting, right, Seryoga? Shh, shh, shh. With the grass, just don't jump off. Here. Little Crucian. Come on, do it like that for your buddies. In the hole, handsome. That's a nice clear bite. Of course, at first they play around with you for a long time, but then they finally bite normally. Still, they're all scoundrels, those Crucian Carp. Friends, today is a weekday, and there are no anglers at the pond. That's great. Yeah, you know, when you're alone. Well, it really bit, you know, like a real knockout. It's biting pretty well. But I can't say 100% that it was effective, for example, with the bait we used today. Our new thing, yeah, halva. I can't. I need to try it some other way. Will you write in the comments? Has anyone caught anything on halva? Did anyone use halva for bait? And maybe write something cool for an overnight stay. And next time we can try to catch some Crucian Carp. There's still time. By the way, guys, summer is flying by really fast. Get out fishing, get out into nature for overnight stays because winter is coming soon. And the nice days will soon be over. With 2 rods, it's better. For now, the close one is working. The far one is also getting some good bites. But this close zone near the reeds, who's doing better here? Of course, the Crucian Carp doesn't know what's going on, guys, but it's biting at the far spot. It's happening, but a little less often. But it's biting pretty much everywhere, though the close one works better. So, when it starts to really taste you like that, the fish is like that. Either lead it or lay it out. Come on, do it well. Either up or down. You're playing with the dream. About both. Quietly, 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 quietly. Here's something. Wow, look at this paw, it's nice. And over here too. A halva lover. They all just fly in like that. I'm picking all these burdocks along the way. How come they haven't wilted yet? Such a guy. The little pond is also for my buddies. And looks intently. I'm actually scared of you. Yes, my subscribers will forgive you. But you're really getting in our way. Leave. Let's explain the fact. In the evening, towards the late evening, as I said, when everything quieted down, the little Crucian Carp started to be active. I'm telling you, he'll come out, eat, but it'll be right at the evening twilight. So that's how it turned out. We fed everything earlier. We waited a long time with you. Yeah, it was pecking, but not super exciting. You know, I have to say, it's really exciting, one after another right now. A lot of fish gathered around the bait, you can see that. And in the evening, she came out to eat again. To try to eat, yeah, that's good. And it's just crazy. Come on, come on, come on, come here. Oh. Good. A nice little creature. Completely different, a big Crucian Carp. Excellent. A little palm-sized one, guys. Here's one like that. Another one. Come here, bro, come here. Wow, what a paw, little buddy. Another evening one, another one. No, I definitely missed that one. I'm not telling you. It started with 2 rods at once. On one on the second, on one on the second. How do you catch them like that? When they bite here and there at the same time, you know. How's it going, Seryoga? Is your Crucian Carp biting here and there, huh? Like sour cream. Got it well nice and deep. The Crucian Carp is messing around a bit. I slowly laid it out, held it. You see, I laid it out, held it somehow. It's unclear, it's leading me. This kind of weather is good because the small fish are no longer hanging out in the corner. Well, if there's a bite, it's only the Crucian Carp. Here with glue, you can no longer get bored at night. Great, in the evening, early in the morning, when it's only the Crucian Carp biting. That's why I love this time. Here it is, here it comes. Come on, come on. Lay it out there, do your thing beautifully. Here it is. Oh, nice. How nice. At Zorka, guys, in the evening. Oh, what a nice one. In general, just grab it. Beast. Don't miss it, that's the main thing. Good, good. The biggest one today is like this. At night it was already this Crucian Carp. This is a Crucian Carp. I said there weren't any. Look how big it is. Shh, here it is. Here he is, handsome. Let us take a picture of you now, like this. Stop with one hand. What a beauty. I said there aren't any big ones here, right? Here you go. A little Crucian Carp, so tasty, so nice. And how much effort I put in. At the very Zorka, you can't even see the sun. Come on. Swim away, swim away, swim. Good size, good fish. Thank you, wild water body. Unfortunately, we have to say goodbye. I'm going to pack my things and head home. The bite was pretty good, I want to say. The evening at Zorka pleased me the most. It was also biting during the day, but this wind changed the weather. Of course, it made its adjustments, and I didn't quite like it. But then it calmed down, just like I said, completely still. The sun started to set behind the horizon, and the Crucian Carps began to bite well, really well. They were hitting hard, guys. This made me really happy, and there were bites. Clear, good setups. I laid it out, meaning I definitely needed to sink it. It worked, Halva, it worked pretty well. That's why you can really try using Halva in your, so to speak, Crucian Carp fishing, guys. Write in the comments what else I should fish for using what gear, something really exotic. There are some pineapples and grapefruits. Grapefruits, oranges. Well, I will definitely give that a try. And now, I guess that's it. I won't even make a request, I'm going to start packing. So we do have some fish. Not a lot, but there are some on Jareshka. If you catch them, it would be fine. Wow! The Crucian Carps. They really gave us a great catch. These little ones are nice this time. Nice colors. And you know what, guys? We're going to release all of them. We'll release absolutely all of them. Come on, and you too, with that one that got stuck. Here's the last one. It's a bit greenish. Really beautiful. Come on, actually. And they're all warm. Let's say we'll be drying the paddles.